So guys, we're here, like I was saying earlier, we're here at the Whitewater Preserve. It's closed today because of flood conditions, but we're parked alongside the road. We've got 2 male bighorn sheep right here, and the rest of the herd's up on the ridge. There's a couple younger ones coming down, but the 2 big males are right here. The weather's sort of bad up here. It is raining. The waterfall right over here. We're going to attempt a hike, but I don't think we're going to be able to get it done today because it is raining and it is up a canyon, so maybe tomorrow. Hey guys, I know it's raining. Check out the waterfall here in Whitewater Canyon. Oh, it's really cold. Oh, there's another waterfall right behind us. Oh, I'm going back in. Oh, yeah, it's a little cold and it's raining, and our hike has been canceled for the day. Sorry for the water on the lens. Yeah, our hike has been canceled for the day, so we're just up here watching. Maybe we'll get some flood footage. So what do you think, Susan?
It's wet.
The waterfall is pretty cool. Never seen one there before. There's one behind us too. So, we'll get back to you. I know I'm back already, but check this out. We got a whole family of bighorn sheep right here on the ridge, hiding in the, oh, there are the males. Oh look, they're all around us. It's pretty cool. They're hiding in the little alcove. It's pretty cool. The males right there. A lot of females, younger ones. But we'll